All right, so it certainly warmed up a lot since yesterday. We're talking about 5-10 degrees across much of West Texas, and you probably notice it and you're enjoying it. I don't blame you. Look at that. 71 degrees, nice clear skies for now. Dew-point humidity, not too terribly bad either. Actually pretty reasonable. It's more so because we're seeing a lot more cloud cover coming in from the west and the chance for some isolated storms. Southeasterly winds, they're responsible for us getting on the warmer end of the spectrum, but I think we can appreciate that. 24-hour temperature change, yeah, we're looking at anywhere from about 5 to almost 10 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. 6 degrees warmer out of Midland, 8 degrees warmer out of Odessa and Big Spring, 7 degrees warmer out of Andrews as well as Seminole. But I'm watching a chance for some isolated showers. Now, a lot of this probably isn't actually making its way to the ground. South of Ozona, okay, yeah, that actually looks to be some moderate rain showers, but I'm not looking at any kind of lightning or even thunderstorms currently. That might change heading into the evening time. Now, while I don't see any severe weather, closest is going to be well to the north of Snyder out near the Panhandle, but I'm looking more so at just general thunderstorm risk. We're talking lightning, thunder, maybe some high winds and even some small size hail, but majority of it typically, just like we see during our severe weather seasons, will hang out farther to the east. Now, when can we see a lot of that rain? Well, it's actually going to be taking place during the overnight hours. We're talking probably around 10 o'clock or so tonight. About 51 degrees because that increase in cloud cover, only 20% coverage. So what about for tomorrow though? Well, similar situation, warm enough to pretty comfortable 71, but about that 20% chance of that early morning isolated showers and maybe a little rumble of thunder. It's just going to be left over from whatever we don't see tonight. Now, not a lot of people are going to see this. You're going to see, again, quickly it moves through, maybe a little sprinkle here and there in our far northeastern counties, but that's about it. We're going to see a lot of that go away. Even maybe into the afternoon, might see an isolated sprinkle right near Andrews, maybe even Big Spring, but again, small chance, only 20% coverage. But it's something, it's better than nothing. I'm not going to complain at the end of the day. Westerly winds begin to take over. It kicks out any kind of cloud cover we have well out to the east Friday, even going into Saturday. Looks to stay nice and clear. Can we see a whole lot of rainfall from this? Let's be realistic. Do we ever see a whole lot of rainfall? Very rarely. And when we do, we're going to have more than a day of advance from that situation. So, that slight chance for tomorrow, and that's going to be really into tonight, into tomorrow morning. We start to clear out, stay decently mild, more of those mid-70s coming back. Sunday, okay, a lot more of that cloud cover coming in. Small, weak cold front coming in Monday, Tuesday. Cools us down before we warm back up into the 80s. Yeah, that looks more like spring. Jolena?
All right.